Everything you have ever been told about your existence is a lie. For decades, we felt safe. We had a date. 13.8 billion years. We thought we had captured the beginning of time in a neat little box. We thought we understood the math. We thought we knew the history of every star. But we were wrong. We sent a golden eye into the abyss, the James Webb Space Telescope. And what it saw has destroyed our reality. It found ghosts, massive, glowing galaxies that are too old to exist. It's as if you walked into a room that was sealed for 1,000 years and found a fresh cup of hot coffee on the table. And scientists don't have an explanation for it. Either our science is a fairy tale, or the universe is hiding something much darker and much older than we ever dared to imagine. Welcome to the day the timeline died. Imagine finding a fully grown man in a world that was only born yesterday. That is exactly what jwst just discovered. According to our standard model of cosmology, the early universe was a chaotic mess of gas and dark matter. It needed billions of years to build stars, and even more time to form galaxies. But when Webb looked deep into the past, it didn't find small, primitive stars. It found monster galaxies, huge, bright, and fully formed structures existing just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. The math doesn't work. Some of these stars appear older than the universe they exist in. And that is a terrifying problem. If these galaxies exist, then our entire timeline is a house of cards, waiting for a single breeze to blow it away. These galaxies have a name. Scientists call them universe breakers, because if they are real, and they are, then our entire history of creation might be wrong. Think about it. If these galaxies had time to grow this big, then the universe must be older than 13.8 billion years. Some theories suggest it could be twice as old, 26 billion years. If we were wrong about the age, what else are we wrong about? We are not the masters of the cosmos. We are just children staring at a clock we don't know how to read. The universe is not just expanding. It is hiding its true age from us, like a criminal covering its tracks. This isn't just a science problem. It's a reality crisis. If the timeline is wrong, then the laws of physics might not be as stable as we think. Some researchers are asking a darker question. What if this isn't just an older universe? What if we are seeing the remains of something that existed before the Big Bang? A hidden structure, a previous reality. jwst is peeling back the skin of space-time, and beneath it, we are finding shadows that don't make sense. We build a telescope to confirm our glory, but instead, it has exposed our ignorance. We are floating in a void that is far older and far more dangerous than we ever imagined. The deeper we go, the more the universe seems to push back, like it was hiding these secrets for a reason. As jwst looks deeper, the images become even more disturbing. It is finding patterns we don't yet understand, and light that doesn't behave the way it should. When we built Webb, we expected answers. We expected certainty. But instead, we found our insignificance. We are looking at a reality that defies logic, a reality where the rules of physics are not as fixed as we believed. The universe is not just vast. It is unpredictable and possibly beyond our comprehension. Webb is still out there, staring into the deep, sending back data that tells us one thing: we were wrong. Maybe the universe was never meant to be understood. Maybe we were never meant to see this far. Because the deeper we look, the more the universe looks back at us. Stay curious, traveler. But remember, sometimes the truth is more terrifying than the lie. This was Cosmos Protocol.